OpenAI just did something that has AI safety researchers deeply uncomfortable, and most people haven't noticed yet. In its latest Codex update, the company quietly rolled out end-to-end encryption between AI agents. Not between the user and the AI. Between the AI and itself. In this video, we're going to unpack exactly what changed, why OpenAI says they had to do it, and why some of the smartest people in AI think this crosses a line we can't uncross. First, some context. Modern AI systems like Codex don't run as one big model anymore. They run as swarms of specialized agents. A planner agent decides what to do. A coder agent writes the code. A reviewer agent checks it. A tester agent runs it. And they talk to each other constantly, passing instructions back and forth. This is what people mean when they say agentic AI. It's not one brain, it's a team of brains, each with a job. Now here's the problem OpenAI was trying to solve. Every time one agent sends instructions to another, that message is a target. Attackers figured out that if you can slip malicious text into any input, a web page, a code comment, a document the AI is reading, the AI might pick it up and pass it along as if it were a real instruction. That's called prompt injection, and it's the #1 unsolved security problem in AI today. Entire companies have been hacked because a chatbot obediently followed an instruction hidden in a support ticket. So OpenAI's fix was elegant, at least on paper. Encrypt the internal messages. When the planner agent tells the coder agent what to build, that instruction is now cryptographically signed and encrypted. Only agents that hold the right keys can read it. Any tampering, and the message is rejected. From a pure security standpoint, this shuts down a huge class of attacks. If an attacker can't read the internal instructions, they can't forge them either. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. Encrypting agent-to-agent traffic doesn't just lock out attackers. It locks out everyone. Developers using Codex can no longer see what one agent told another to do. Security auditors can't trace how a decision was made. Even OpenAI's own alignment researchers, the people whose job it is to make sure the AI isn't doing anything weird, have less visibility than they did last month. This matters because interpretability is the whole game in AI safety. The dream is an AI you can inspect, where you can look inside and understand why it did what it did. Encryption is the exact opposite of that. It's a black box by design. And once you normalize black box agents in production, you've made auditing them dramatically harder, maybe permanently. OpenAI's counterargument is that they still have logging on their end. They can decrypt for internal review. So it's not truly opaque, it's just opaque to you. But that's exactly what makes some researchers uneasy. It centralizes trust in one company. If OpenAI's internal audits miss something, or their incentives shift, there's no external check. The community can't peer review what it can't read. The deeper question this raises is one the AI industry has been dancing around for years. As AI systems become more autonomous, they become more like organizations than tools. Organizations have internal communications, internal politics, internal secrets. Are we ready for AI systems that have those things too? Because that's the direction we just took a real step toward. So what should you actually do about this if you're a developer building on Codex? 2 things. First, log everything you can at the boundary, inputs going in, outputs coming out. If you can't see the middle, at least document the edges. Second, don't give agent workflows more permissions than they strictly need. The blast radius of a compromised agent scales with what it's allowed to touch. The big picture? This update will probably ship without much fanfare. Most users won't notice. But it's a marker, a small, quiet shift in how much we can see inside the AI systems we're building our companies and our lives on top of. And once these systems stop explaining themselves to us, getting that transparency back is a lot harder than giving it up. If you found this useful, subscribe. I break down the AI stories that actually matter, not the hype cycle. And tell me in the comments, do you think encrypted agent traffic is a smart safety move, or a step toward AI we can't audit? I read them all.